the case is quite different to me. I'm ready to flow and dance to the tune of this life. I will never attempt illegality or foreplay. I will try and make the best out of this life. I am certain one day I will rule this nation, or at least I will rule my state.
Bro, I could be like treasurer. Treasurer. This is a women organization.
Mr. Quick, there is absolutely no way you're getting a job at this establishment. I mean, you studied theater arts, so you're probably a dancer or an actor of some sort. Come on, bro. The National Theatre is a better place to start. Okay? Who knows? You might have your own theater company, perform dramas in churches or events, that sort of thing. Okay. All said and done, I need to attend to more pressing matters, okay? Thank you.
Are you not just killing yourself with all this smoking and stuff? Wouldn't it have been better if you just imagined the man as a comic motivational speaker who was only speaking to you from his point of view, which of course he's entitled to? After all, the man was only giving you options. You know, you could just write a letter to one of these churches and tell them that you are the best when it comes to the role of Angel Gabriel. Right?
Hello, Mom. Mommy, Dioko.
So when are you going to return my food flask?
Which of the flask is that, Mom? Oh,
you thought I would forget. The one I used to send you beans porridge and fried plantain. Are you still coughing?
Mom, I'm fine. It's just cough.
Now that you have decided to live or die on smoking, have you thought about its implication on your loved ones? On me, your mother? Have you? God knows I have tried my best, but you don't seem to care.
Mom, it's not like...
Don't. Mommy, stop giving me excuses. When is your interview?
10 a.m. Mom.
God will go with you.
Amen.
Favor will take you there. This is the beginning of everything beautiful and great in your life.
Amen.
It is well with you, my son.
Thank you, Mom.
You will have this job on a platter because grace is speaking for you.
Amen.
It is well with you.
Congratulations. Congratulations, you both have gotten the job and taken work very seriously. So, once again,
thank you, sir.
See you tomorrow.
Congratulations.
Our very own boy, you understand? Our very own boy.
Trust me.
Show them where you come from. Show them where you come from. Man, smoke on. How do you feel my shit? Come on, you feel they smoke for us. Take it down.
ever going to get such an amount of money from? Oh. And what if there's a delay in the long surgery?